Okay, Rich, just show you how to bone out a chicken fairly quickly. Supermarket chicken, bog standard. I'm going to be using something like that, which is a boning knife and also a cleaver. Knives that aren't very good for sort of boning, something like that, quite a biggish, wideish one, or something like that, not particularly good, or even that, to be honest. So a narrow blade's a lot better, it's a lot easier. It can be done with the others. But like I say, this is the easiest way. So you want a nice sharp knife, and obviously wash your hands before you start any of this. Always work with the blade pointing away from yourself if you can. Get rid of your little stringy bits. Right, so just to portion a chicken up, your easiest way is start at there. On your leg, break your leg, cut through. That's one leg. Break your leg, cut through. You'll get better and better at this because you'll gradually know where the joints are. So now you can you can leave the skin on if you want, but if you want what they call skinless breasts, just break the skin there, get hold of it just there, somewhere, and just pull, and it pulls off relatively easily, all the way down to there. So no puns, but there's a nice pair of breasts. So that's your skin. I tend to discard the skin. It's not good for stocking because it's got quite a bit of fat in it, but it's tasty when it's roasted, obviously. Right, depends whether you're left or right-handed, really. Doesn't really bother. But you look for the sort of spine. I will start at the top end here. Just run along. So I'm running to the left of it at the moment. It's like a bit of a sinew, and just keep your knife going down, basically. And you're trying to take as much meat off as possible. So you've got the ribs here. So that's that. There's quite a lot of meat on a chicken. So this one, £3.25. Take the little wing off as you're there. Flip it round. Down the spine bit again. I'll try and move a bit for the camera for you. That's the bit of the wishbone there, which on a lot of modern supermarket chickens seems to be already broken, which is a bit odd. That's another breast off. Through there, that's the wing off. Right, I always use this for stock, so I will just cut there, break, and again just cut through. So put those on a plate for stock. I tend to use the wings for stock, or if you've got a recipe for them, that's fine. Right, you've got your legs now. If you want to bone those out, your easy way, if you've got a cleaver, great. Go like that. That bit goes for stock. If you haven't, some tough kitchen scissors would do the trick. A big knife might do, but you'll have to probably lean on it quite a lot. Or just leave it on it, just makes it a little bit more awkward. So that's the other one gone. For stock. Right, so remove the skin, thick end, again, grab hold, peels off fairly easily. Do the other one, grab hold, peels off, fairly easy. Back to your boning knife. I put the leg upside down. I just find it easier. I don't know if it's right or wrong really, but just go along follow the bones. Again, you've got to watch your fingers on this because it's a bit tricky. Turn the other one around, so come along the top. This is probably the fiddliest bit of a chicken. So it's just a matter of trying to follow the bones though. Now on this bit of the leg, the sort of lower bit, as you chop that end off, you've actually got a very fine bone there as well, like a needle bone. So just make sure you remove that as well. And it's just really a matter of trimming around the knuckly bit here, which is a bit more fiddly than you think. Again, bone for stock. So that's one leg boned out. That's the leg that I use for occasion chicken portion, so one of them. So that's that. I won't show you the other leg. Chicken breast. You've also got a thing on the back which is like a mini fillet. That's pure breast meat. Now what I often do, depends what I'm cooking, but I often trim these up. So take the end off, take that end off, lie it on its side, and I just take a little bit of the thickness off to make it a little more even. Trim that up again. All that is not waste, I'm going to use all that. And then, if I'm going to stuff the chicken breast, it might not look much, put it on its side, run your knife through. And you're trying to run your knife through to about there. Peel that open, a little bit more at that end to be honest. Now you can stuff that with like a garlicky Kiev mix in butter, but obviously you want to chill your butter down or even freeze it to put it in. You can put blue cheese, brie, camembert, pretty much any cheese apart from a crumbly cheese really in there. Brie seal, either wrap with pancetta, cut in breadcrumbs, pan fry it, all sorts of options. So that's it really, dead easy. Just takes a little bit of fiddling, but for £3.50 you get an awful lot of meat. I can quite comfortably get 4 meals out of that. Okay, see you soon, bye.